This is Hero's engine. It's essentially a steam-powered rocket engine that was invented almost 2,000 years ago. Despite its age, Hero's engine uses the same principles that still power modern rockets, steam turbines, and jet engines. And to show you just how powerful this ancient technology can be, I'm going to take Hero's engine to the extreme and use it to spin a ping pong ball to over 18,000 RPM. Hero's engine, or Aeolipile as it was originally known, was invented by Hero of Alexandria around 100 AD. It was one of the first examples of thrust, 1,600 years before Newton described it. Let me show you how it works. I put some water inside this bulb here. If I add enough heat to the bulb, the water inside will start to boil and turn to steam. This quickly increases the internal pressure. The only place that the steam can escape is out these nozzles on the side. The steam is exiting the nozzles in this direction, so the very last kick the molecules give before sent out of the device pushes the device in the opposite direction, causing it to spin. For example, I can use the same principle if I want to spin in my chair but I don't have anything to push off against. If I just throw this weight in this direction, I'll be pushed the opposite direction. Ugh. It worked. It's the same principle that rockets use to get to space. In fact, you could say that Hero's engine was the first rocket engine, even though nobody realized it at the time. The nice thing about using thrust to power something is that it doesn't matter how fast you're already going. You can always move faster because you're carrying the fuel with you. This means that rockets and Hero's engine can reach insane speeds. With water and fire, I clocked my Hero's engine at 2,500 RPM. But let's see what we can get if we make some improvements. First, let's swap out the heavy metal bulb with a much lighter ping pong ball. And let's swap out the water for liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen has the benefit that you don't need any fire to turn it into a gas. The ambient temperature of the room will do that for you. So it's basically like taking a regular Hero's engine and throwing it in a furnace. The liquid nitrogen expands by 700 times its original volume when it turns into a gas. So let's see what happens. First, I just need to make a hole for the liquid nitrogen to go in. This will also serve as our hole for the gas to come out as well.